Hello and welcome to A through Z Baking. I will be your host, Yong and how this will work is I have some baked goods in here. For the next 18 or so days, I will be drawing one of them and I will be making that dessert. Let's see what we get today. We got chocolate peanut butter cupcakes. I have all my ingredients measured out, so let's get started. The first step is to mix all our wet ingredients, for some reason including the sugar. This method is called the muffin method, and I know it's a cupcake, but the muffin is just a cupcake without frosting, so basically the same thing. Alright, our wet ingredients are going to be our oil, sugar, vanilla, and our eggs. So now we turn our mixer on. Well, that's working. We'll mix the dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients are going to be our flour, our baking soda, our salt, and if you're making chocolate peanut butter cupcakes, or cocoa powder. Okay, this is ready. So mix my dry ingredients by hand. Now the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. We will add them to the wet ingredient mixture slowly. We're going to slowly incorporate our dry ingredients. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pick all the batter from little things. Oh! Just in case the mixer missed any of the dry ingredients. Yeah, this needs a little almond milk. This might happen, so I have some almond milk ready in the pan. Alright, let's put this back. Alrighty. This is going to be our batter. Yeah, some cupcake molds. Where did I put them? Here they are. I forgot to preheat the oven. Start. I'm using these reusable plastic cupcake molds. Non-stick tray. Don't know why I have it for cupcakes, but I like it. Why do I keep using so many spoons? And it's very important to take them at similar heights, or some will be overbaked when some are still underbaked. They don't need to be perfect sizes, but they need to be extremely similar sizes, or it won't be pretty. Woo! I'm just gonna make half a dozen. I'm going to make one later. I just want to get these in the oven. This is so sticky. Next, I'm going to make the filling. So I have my melted chocolate, and I have my peanut butter. Hot. Pour it into my peanut butter. This is taking forever. Hot. Alright, so now I'm going to mix. This one is too flimsy. This looks good. I know this may seem like more chocolate than peanut butter considering I made chocolate cupcakes. But chocolate mix. Peanut butter is a very strong flavor. Plus, I'm going to put a dollop of peanut butter on top. Alright, now I have my fourth of a cup of chocolate chips. Mix. I'm going to see if my cupcakes are cool. I'll put my filling here. Get my jar of peanut butter. I'm going to take these 2 spoons. This smaller one, take a scoop right over the middle. Now, I'm going to take my slightly bigger spoon. I'm going to take a scoop of this filling, trying to get it into my cupcake. This peanut butter is so sticky on my spoon. Perfect. Now, we're going to take my smaller spoon. I'm going to take a dollop of peanut butter. Alright, next. That's a little crunchy. Alright. Next 2 coming in. Alright, that's all for today. This is how they turned out. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.